Okay, so before you start your independent practice assignment, I wanted to go over just a couple of the guided practice questions. If you see here, question number 1, what is the angle measure of a straight line? I want you to think back to what we talked about in the solve and share. And we talked about our right angles and that a right angle is 90 degrees. If I took my pencil and drew a perpendicular line here, we would now have two right angles. We'd have a right angle here. Remember, a right angle makes a corner. And then we'd have a right angle here. 90 plus 90 would give us 180 degrees. So that's an important, think back like a benchmark fraction. So if you know that a straight angle is 180 degrees, that will help you solve in geometry down the line. So a straight angle or a straight line is 180 degrees. Now, for question number 2, what are the vertex and rays of angle ABC? So you need to think about what we learned last week with our vocabulary. What is a vertex? What is an angle? What are rays? So I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to draw an angle. Then I'm going to come in and I'm going to label angle A, or ray A. Add my arrows here. I'm going to come in and label my vertex B. Think about it. What is a vertex? Can anybody tell me, or do you remember what vertex is? Remember, a vertex is where two rays meet or two lines intersect. Let me go ahead real quick and add the label for our other ray, ray C. Remember, a ray has a point on one end. That would be our vertex here. And it goes on endlessly in one direction. A ray only goes on in one direction. So here we have a point B and an arrow. So that makes our ray BA. And then we have a point B and our arrow here. So we've got ray BC. Two rays joined at a vertex make an angle. So the vertex of angle ABC would be B, and the rays would be ray BA and BC. I hope that makes sense. See you guys tomorrow.